Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Paysafe card on Fortnite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Check payment options. Open the Fortnite game and navigate to the in-game store or the section where you can purchase V-Bucks or other items. Step 2. Choose payment method. When prompted to choose a payment method, look for the Paysafe card option. It may be listed among the available payment methods. Step 3. Enter Paysafe card PIN. If Paysafe card is accepted, select it as your payment method and you will likely be prompted to enter the 16-digit PIN associated with your Paysafe card. Step 4. Complete the transaction. After entering the PIN, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. This may involve confirming the payment and waiting for the process to be completed. Step 5. Verify the transaction. Some transactions may require additional verification steps. This could include confirming the payment through an email or text message sent by Paysafe card. Check V-Bucks balance. After the transaction is complete, check your Fortnite account to verify that the purchased V-Bucks or items have been added. And that's how you can use Paysafe card on Fortnite. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.